Today we're covering stamped concrete guide, patterns, costs, installation. Here's what you need to know. Stamped concrete costs 8 to 16 per square feet installed. Learn pattern options, durability, maintenance, and how to hire the right contractor. Quick answer. Stamped concrete costs 8 to 16 per square foot installed. A 500 square foot driveway runs $4,000 to $8,000. Patterns mimic stone, brick, or slate. Durability reaches 25 to 30 years with proper sealing every 2 to 3 years and adequate air entrainment to resist North Carolina's freeze-thaw winters. Stamped concrete transforms a functional slab into a decorative surface that rivals expensive stone or brick at a fraction of the cost. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. If you're considering a stamped concrete driveway, patio, or pool deck, this guide covers patterns, pricing, durability, maintenance, and what to expect during installation. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in stamped concrete for driveways, patios, and pool decks, offering pattern choices from slate and brick to ashlar and herringbone. Stamped concrete typically costs 8 to 16 per square foot installed, depending on pattern complexity and slab size. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This approach protects homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. A 500 square foot driveway ranges from $4,000 to $8,000 installed. Moving on to what is stamped concrete. Stamped concrete is a decorative concrete finish applied by pressing rubber or polyurethane molds into freshly placed concrete before it hardens. The stamps create a textured pattern that mimics natural stone, brick, slate, wood planks, or tile. Unlike solid stone or brick, stamped concrete is poured as a single continuous slab, which means fewer joints, better water drainage, and lower installation cost. The process begins with standard concrete, Portland cement, water, aggregate, sand and gravel, and additives like integral color or air entraining agents. Once the concrete reaches the right firmness, typically 2 to 4 hours after the pour, stamps are pressed into the surface in overlapped patterns. A skilled finisher ensures consistent depth, color registration, and pattern alignment. The result is a monolithic slab that looks like individual pavers or stones but functions as a single structural unit. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.